Do you ever catch yourself downplaying your wins or focusing more on what you messed up rather than what you nailed? I've been noticing this pattern in myself lately, and it got me thinking how we can actually use journaling to rewire our confidence from the inside out. What's up, party people? Confidence isn't this magical thing that some people are born with and others aren't. It's actually something that we can build through intentional reflection and recognizing the evidence that's already there. Today we're going to journal through 7 prompts that will help you uncover the confidence that's already living inside you. So go ahead, grab your journal, open it up to a fresh page, and let's get started. Let me just switch on the Journal Party Guided Journaling app here, where I have today's confidence boosting prompts all ready to go. You'll see each prompt on screen, and then we'll spend about 2 minutes journaling through each one. Remember, confidence is built through honest self-reflection, not false positivity. So write whatever feels true for you. And if you're in a season where confidence feels really far away, that's okay too. Sometimes you just need to start by noticing one small thing. Ready? Let's get started. Prompt number 1, past wins. Write about a time when you accomplished something that initially felt impossible or intimidating. What inner strength did you discover about yourself? Hidden superpowers. What's one quality about yourself that others consistently compliment you on, but you tend to downplay or dismiss? Why do you think you minimize this strength? Next prompt, fear fighter. Describe a moment when you did something despite being scared. What did this experience teach you about your own courage? Growth evidence. Compare who you were 1 year ago to who you are today. What positive changes do you notice in how you handle challenges or treat yourself? Inner cheerleader. Write the most encouraging pep talk you would give to your best friend if they were struggling with self-doubt. Now, read it back to yourself. Future self. Imagine the most confident version of yourself 5 years from now. What advice would this future you give about believing in your current abilities? Confidence anchor. What's one thing about yourself that remains constant and strong, regardless of external circumstances or other people's opinions? Okay, so here's what came up for me during that session. First, I realized how often I forget about past wins when I'm facing something new and scary. Writing about the time that I actually launched a journal party, just being willing to kind of leap and let the net appear and then finding my way in that is something that I've done before, and it's also something that I believe that I can do again. The prompt about hidden superpowers was pretty fun. People tend to tell me that I'm good at making things like approachable and real, and I usually brush that off, but I actually think that maybe I should own that strength. The future self prompt was pretty powerful because it reminded me that the confident version of me isn't some totally different person. It's just me who's learned to trust my own experience a little bit more. So I think I can lean into that and kind of just show up with my heart intact, and hopefully that pays off. Anyway, enough about me. What came up for you? I'd love to hear more about which prompt surprised you the most down there in the comments. I think the biggest takeaway from today's session is just that confidence isn't about never feeling doubt, so much as having evidence of your own resilience and the abilities that you can return to when that doubt shows up. If this resonated with you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly journaling sessions. You can also download our Journal Party app for more guided journaling prompts just like these. That's actually what we were journaling on today, and the link for that's down in the description. Also, don't forget to join us every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Journal Party Live. That's where we get together and we journal together as a community, and we build our confidence collectively. Lastly, thank you so much for journaling with me today. And remember, your confidence matters and it's already inside of you. So you may have to do some journaling to dig it up, but it's in there, I promise. If you want to keep going with some guided journaling, check out one of our other videos over here, and if not, party on.